Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here to help introduce the next generation of a vehicle that has done so much for our brand. When we created the original Telluride, our instincts told us customers would respond to a big, bold, and unapologetically boxy SUV, yet infused with a unique Kia attitude. We designed it to be aspirational, aimed at changing people's perception of Kia. Now, the next generation doesn't step away from that. It simply reinterprets our ideas through the lens of Opposites United design language. And here's the result: an entirely new, chiseled exterior design that retains that boxy, honest SUV presence. It's a larger vehicle, gaining just over 2 inches in length, with a wheelbase extended by almost 3 inches, which allows for a roomier interior, easier ingress-egress, and improved ride quality. Now up front, you'll notice a broad hood and vertical headlights that frame a new high-gloss grille. Lighting technology is evolving, and Kia is among the pioneers in the industry with our expanded use of star map LEDs and animated features. And Telluride elevates this technology even further with available animated welcome lighting patterns and amber DRLs that really pop against the grille. Now, moving to the back, you'll find an even wider taillight design for an elegant, premium experience. The signature twin stripes echo the headlights for a modern, cohesive theme that runs throughout the vehicle. And along the side, Opposites United comes through with a combination of strong, angular shapes contrasted with soft, flowing volumes. Flush door handles, usually only seen on luxury vehicles, allow for clean, refined surfacing and an aerodynamic improvement. The triangular forms extending from the wheel arches are inspired by the facets of a diamond. Diamonds are beautiful and valuable, and also one of the toughest, most durable things in the world, just like Telluride. Upward flowing character lines give the impression of lifting the vehicle, making it look more capable, while these unique notches on the fenders lend a mechanical precision feel and provide a foundation for the angles. Now let's move to the inside. When you first open the front door, available LED lamps illuminate the ground, spelling out Telluride. In the cabin, Telluride welcomes you into what we call a dreamer's sanctuary. The dashboard curves gracefully around the front seat occupants. There's seating for up to 8 with more passenger space than before, as well as generous second and third row legroom. There's enough cup holders for everyone and an available 2-tier sliding tray with storage for the second row. We've made the cargo area even more flexible for life's daily adventures with lower storage dividers and a folding luggage table. To elevate the entire interior experience, we've made significant investments into premium materials. Our hand grips feel soft and protective with a look and a texture that's integrated into the overall design. We also put some thought into the interior door handles, which tuck into the armrest to blend function into form. So those are the design highlights, but there's much more to the story, including power, capability, and an abundance of technology. And to tell you more about that, please welcome Executive Director of Product Planning, 𝙁𝙧𝙤𝙀.
Telluride is important to us and to our customers, so we put everything into getting the next one just right. Getting it right is more capability, more roominess, more technology, more of everything our customers love about Telluride. Now, for the majority of our owners, Telluride will serve as the family vehicle. So we focused on every detail to ensure that it's exceptionally quiet, comfortable, and safe with premium road manners. As Tom mentioned, the interior really is a dreamer sanctuary. And that's not just because of the way it looks. Everything has been elevated to deliver a more premium experience, including quietness, thanks to the increased application of sound insulation materials and thicker glass all the way around, and seating where comfort really matters the most. For the driver, there's an available ergo motion seat. It eases longer drives, adjustable massaging, and also support, while second row seats create a lounge-like feel for the passengers. There's power for everyone's mobile devices, including 2 front passenger dual wireless charging pads. The Telluride also features standard navigation, along with an available connected cloud-based online navigation system that helps keep maps and routes up to date. The system is powered by live Google search, so customers can see the newest listings, restaurants, destinations right on their screen. Telluride raises the game in entertainment and personalization as well through the Kia Connect store. With the new entertainment data services package, you can stream from both Netflix or Disney right on the center display. Or maybe you prefer to watch YouTube or singing along with Stingray karaoke app. It's a whole new level of personalized in-vehicle entertainment for Kia. And check this out. We're also taking display themes to the next level. In addition to the NBA imagery we offer today, Kia is now collaborating with Disney, giving owners access to immersive Disney-themed displays from Frozen and Toy Story to Marvel, even Star Wars. The Kia Connect store makes it simple. The available Meridian Premium audio system delivers an immersive sound through 14 speakers and a powerful 10-inch subwoofer. To round out this premium package, the all-new Telluride offers even more confidence and peace of mind. That starts with the upgraded steering system. The all-new Telluride features a responsive, rack-mounted, motor-driven power steering system that's far more precise than the previous model. We're also upgrading the convenience by offering memory-enabled power, tilt, and telescopic steering wheel. And we've added more airbags, 10 in all, and a stiffer body structure aimed at achieving the highest level safety ratings. Families will appreciate the upgraded standard rear occupant alert system, which uses radar sensors, plus the smartphone for notifications to remind drivers of occupants still in the second and third row. And as in every Kia, there's a helpful suite of up to 21 standard and available ADAS systems. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the all-new Kia Telluride, powertrains, including a turbocharged hybrid. This standard offering is a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, which produces 274 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. With nearly 50 more pound-feet of torque over the previous engine, it offers improved passing power. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is available with all-wheel drive plus active torque distribution. Plus, Kia is making towing easier than ever with Telluride's tow mode, now standard across all of our trims. And to make towing or carrying a bike rack more convenient, Telluride adds trailer mode, which turns off various ADAS functions at the touch of a button. For a balance of power and efficiency, customers can step up to the turbo hybrid powertrain, which pairs the 2.5-liter turbo engine with dual electric motors. This powertrain delivers almost 40 more horsepower than today, with faster acceleration and, get this, 50% better fuel economy. At up to 35 miles per gallon combined, it gives you a total range of at least 600 miles. It really is best of both worlds, more power and also more efficiency. Now, the hybrid also delivers other benefits, including electronic dynamic torque vectoring control, which is designed to modulate power and braking to help maintain stability through the corners. And with the new stay mode, you can run the AC, cabin lighting, infotainment with the engine off for about 20 minutes. Now, if you're one of those customers whose ideas of adventure reaches a bit deeper into the wilderness, well, we also have Telluride just for you. Let's check out the all-new 2027 Telluride X Pro.
How about that? You can talk about capability, or you can just drag it right out onto the stage. Introducing the most capable Telluride we've ever built, the 2027 Telluride X Pro. This vehicle is designed to tackle anything that gets in its path, and not just falling trees. The strong frame-mounted front and rear recovery points are also designed to assist other vehicles when they get bogged down in the mud. And that's just the start. Telluride X Pro also includes an exclusive suspension with additional travel, providing 9.1 inches of ground clearance, up from the previous Telluride's 8.4. Combined with wider, trail-ready 18-inch all-terrain tires, and it's easy to see just how much more capable Telluride is. And because X Pro adventures often involve towable toys, we've built the tow hitch into the vehicle from the beginning. It's factory installed for a clean look and fully integrated with the chassis and electronics. Properly equipped, this setup delivers up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. And on this rugged machine, the capability isn't just skin deep. It's equipped with innovative technologies that help provide off-road confidence, such as multiple drive modes, including 3 terrain modes for sure-footed traction and an electronic limited slip differential that modulates power from front to rear, left to right. While traversing the rugged outdoors, X Pro's new ground view monitor displays the terrain around the vehicle at speeds under 6 miles per hour, helpful for carefully navigating rocks, ruts, or tight forest trails. And on the center screen, you can switch to the off-road vehicle status to keep an eye on certain key data, from pitch and roll to oil pressure, engine temperature, and more. Later, after a long day's adventure, you'll appreciate X Pro's exclusive ground lighting feature, which brightens up key areas around the vehicle, helpful when you're unloading your gear for the evening. X Pro complements its capability with tough and rugged design elements in black, from the raised roof rails to the exclusive wheels to the abundance of trim details. Inside, X Pro stands out with unique touches, such as Kia's first ever application of engineered carbon and stylish X Pro embossed seatbacks. To sum up, we are taking Telluride to the next level in size, in styling, in capability, and in enhanced technology. And because we know our customers want to make a unique statement with the perfect Telluride to suit their lifestyles, we've also pushed model differentiation further than ever before. Our base model Telluride is defined by dark chrome and gloss black exterior theme, while our upper-level hybrid trims add body color, fender cladding, and grille inserts with satin silver details. X-Line models feature a combination of black finishes with a unique grille, bumpers, and sill design, exclusive fog lamps, and 21-inch wheels that deliver exceptional handling and driving comfort. And as we've just seen, X Pro builds on the black theme of X-Line, adding rugged, capability-enhancing features. So whatever combination of style, efficiency, and capability you're looking for, there's a Telluride that delivers and looks the part. The Telluride will go on sale in the first quarter of 2026, proudly assembled at Kia's manufacturing facility in West Point, Georgia. We're already building pre-launch momentum. In fact, I have some exciting news about a long-standing Kia partnership that will help showcase Telluride on a global stage. We're in the middle of football season right now, and Kia is ready to get in the game. But I'm not talking about American football. No, I mean this kind of football, what we call soccer in the US. And this little event you might have heard of, the FIFA World Cup. Think of it this way. It's like having 3 Super Bowls a day for 39 days across North America next summer with the world watching. You'll start to see the seedlings of our efforts early next month with the official draw taking place in Washington, D.C., where all the teams, groups, matchups, game locations are unveiled. And the hype becomes real. We will have a strong vehicle presence at many of the matches. This includes a signature moment, with Kia supporting the official match ball carrier program at the start of every match. If you're not familiar, this is the ceremonial presentation of the game ball by a child to the referee on the field. And with Telluride serving as our hero vehicle for the FIFA World Cup, it's the perfect stage to showcase our Halo SUV. And now to share a few closing thoughts, please welcome President and CEO of Kia North America and Kia America, Sean Neal.
Today, we open the next chapter in the story of this legendary vehicle. 6 years ago, Kia dared to challenge the status quo in a crowded segment with a bold, new, three-row midsize SUV. The moment it hit the market, it quickly became one of the most in-demand SUVs in the United States, and they elevated the Kia brand to an entirely new level. Over the years, the Telluride has continued to evolve. We introduced the Nightboard Edition in 2020, giving the Telluride a darker, more distinctive edge. Then Telluride solidified our X-Line, X-Pro strategy, becoming the iconic model for our more rugged and aggressive trims. Those trims have been so successful, they are now available on nearly every SUV in our lineup. Consistently rising sales show that Telluride still captures our customers' imaginations. In the 6 years since its debut, sales have more than doubled, from about 60,000 units to over 120,000 units annually today. That's not only a testament to the vehicle's enduring appeal, but to the trust our customers have placed in us. We will continue to earn their trust and to push the boundaries of their adventures with the next generation model. I have a strong confidence in the all-new Telluride in its design, quality, and performance, as well as its ability to once again exceed our customers' expectations. Now I'd like to invite the executive team to join me on the stage. Okay, on behalf of all of us at Kia, thank you for being here to celebrate the next chapter of our journey. Thank you.